Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So we are back with another 4C curly wig install. You guys, these 4C edges look just like mine. This wig is from Wesface Hair. This is their Wesface 4C Edges HD Lace Kinky Curly Lace Front Human Hair Wig. I'm going to be giving you guys multiple close-ups of those edges throughout those video and comparing it to my natural edges. So if you guys want to see how I got this beautiful look, just continue to watch. As always, I'm giving you guys a quick unboxing to show you everything that comes along with the wig in itself. Of course, they had to send some goodies such as some scrunchies and a bonnet, which is something that we can all use. Alright, so here is the wig. I'm giving you guys a close-up of that texture. This is a kinky curly texture, by the way. I believe I have this wig in about 26 inches, but I will leave all the information in the description box down below. But I want you guys to take a close-up look at those edges, you guys. Those edges are supposed to mimic the typical 4C edges. It's supposed to look extremely natural. And also look at that lace. That lace is super thin, melts right into my skin as well, especially when we add some makeup to it later on. Again, giving you guys another close-up. As you guys can see, that lace is like see-through. You can literally see right through the lace. So this is the inside of the wig. So you have the 4 combs, you have the adjustable straps all the way at the bottom, and you even have that glueless adjustable strap as well. Now I did wash the hair off camera as well as bleach the knots to my liking, but you guys know I will be giving you guys multiple close-up of those edges, which is what I'm doing now. I hope you guys can see how natural it looks and how thin that lace is. It's insane. And we will be taking full advantage of the adjustable strap and the adjustable straps all the way at the bottom, because you guys know I do not like to use glue, only spray for my 13x4, 13x6 wig installs. Alright, so I'm just fitting the wig to my head, kind of seeing what it looks like, making sure everything is nice and snug. Once I'm secure with how it looks, I'm going to give you guys some close-ups of the wig's edges compared to my natural edges, and then we're going to cut off all that additional lace that we do not need. So again, giving you guys a close-up. As you guys can see, the edges look really balled up at this point, and that's because you are supposed to comb it back or brush it back into the hair, but I wanted to give you guys just raw footage of what it looks like before we do that. So now I'm just taking my rat tail comb and I am just combing the edges back into the hair, and I will show you guys what it looks like afterwards. It looks a whole lot more natural afterwards as well. You want to make sure that the edges blend in with the hair overall. You don't want it to be separate, so that's the importance of doing that. You can also add some mousse and go in with the edge brush if you prefer. So just like I said earlier, we are going to cut off all the additional lace that we do not need, and once I cut off the lace, you guys will see how extremely natural those edges look. They already look natural, but it's something about cutting off that lace where you really see what it looks like. You could not tell me that this was not my hair. Alright, so now it is time to secure that lace down. So I'm going in with some even melting spray because this lace is super invisible, it's super thin, and it's definitely super see-through. So there's really no need to use a heavy product. That's another good thing about this HD lace. The quality is just great. So I'm just going in with some melting spray. I'm going to wait until it gets tacky, and then I'm going to secure the lace down. Alright, and we are back. I let the elastic band sit for about 10 minutes or so. Now, when it comes to this lace, you guys, because we have the 4C edges, one good thing about a wig with 4C edges is the fact that the 4C edges actually hide the lace to a certain extent. You don't have to worry about excessive blending or anything like that. So all I'm doing is just adding a little bit of makeup. You could barely see the lace, you could barely see the edges of the lace or anything, but I know if I can see it, then I feel like anybody else can see it. So I'm just going in with a little bit of foundation and covering up any spots that may be visible. Alright, so what do you guys think? Go ahead and leave a comment in the comment section down below so far. Look how natural this looks, and it did not take me a long time to, you know, secure the lace down or make it look natural or anything like that. The wig is just great quality overall, and those 4C edges are amazing. So I'm sticking with the classic middle part because this is a kinky curly wig and I like to keep it simple because it's a lot of hair. So once I secure my middle part, including adding some makeup onto my part and just making the part a lot more defined, we are going to go in with my wax stick and my hot comb. You guys know that regardless if it's a curly wig or not, I do like to make sure that the top of the wig is laying flat. This particular wig is curly from root all the way to the tip, so you don't want to run the hot comb through the curls, but I'm just doing a little bit just to make sure the top of the wig is looking flat and it doesn't look like I have a helmet head on my head. Alright, so she is looking good. So now it is time for me to style the rest of the hair, which is going to be easy. 1, 2, 3. Now, although this is a kinky curly texture and although it looks like a lot of hair, what I will say is that the hair was extremely light and it was extremely fluffy. Even when I was finished styling, I didn't feel like I had a lot of hair on my head. So that is perfect because that means this is a good option to have for a summer wig, because you know in the summer you don't want to have a thick wig on your head and you're sweating and stuff like that. This one I don't think is going to give you that issue. So I'm just going in with some water and I'm finger detangling. I'm being extremely gentle because again, this is curly hair. You want to treat it just like how you would with your natural hair. And then once the hair was fully detangled, I added some mousse to just define the curls, and I did the same thing on both sides. Alright, so the hair is pretty much 85% dry at this point, but I wanted to come on camera and show you guys what it is looking like. Obviously the curls are popping, the hair looks nice and full, and those edges look extremely natural. I love the fact that the hair did not give me any issues as far as shedding, as far as tangling, especially because this is kinky curly and we do not have time for that. So overall, the hair is a 10 for me. It's beautiful and it has great quality. I definitely recommend this to anybody who is looking for an option to kind of still rock your natural hair but not rock your natural hair, if you know what I mean. This is a perfect option for us naturals who want to wear our hair out but you don't want to deal with your natural hair, so you get something that mimics your natural hair. This is a great option for that. I will have all of the information listed in the description box down below, including the direct link to the hair that I am wearing in this video, so make sure you guys check out the description box because everything you are looking for will be listed there. I love this hair and I hope that you guys love it too. Thank you for tuning in and I'll see you next time.